Welcome to this tutorial on RIP in Cisco Packet Tracer. RIP stands for Router Information Protocol. It is one of the simplest dynamic routing protocols designed to help routers share information and determine the best path to forward data in a network. In this video, I'm going to guide you through enabling and configuring RIP step by step, demonstrating its functionality in a practical scenario using Cisco Packet Tracer. Now here I have three local area networks all connected together physically, but they would not be able to communicate because we don't have a routing protocol in each one of the routers. So these local area networks would only be able to communicate locally even though we have a link between them. I'm going to try to ping from, let's say, the .4 right over to this .2. Ping 102.54.33.2. Notice that's not happening, right? It's going to fill. I tried it before there as well. That's how I know it will fill, definitely. Just going to type Control C to stop that. And let's try this one here. This will be .1. So see, .1 is fine. We can ping up to here because it's the same router. But this is on a different network, a different router, so I won't be able to ping that until I set up a routing protocol. So the routing protocol that we're going to set up today is RIP. So I'm going to click on this router here. I'm going to type enable. And I'm going to go into the config mode, config space T. So now I'm just going to type router, R-O-U-T-E-R, space RIP, return. And then I'll type version space 2, V-E-R-S-I-O-N space 2. And now I can type the networks in. So the first network I'll be typing in is this network here, 192.168.0.0 would be the network IP. 192.168.0.0, and that's the network IP. Enter. I have to type network space 192.168.0.0. Enter. There we go. Now I'll type network space this network IP 102.54.33.0. Enter. Next one, we'll look at this one here, 101.23.43.3. Workspace 101.23.43.0. And then we'll look at these two here. Network 192.168.1.0. Network 192.168.2.0. Okay, we got them all in there. So we've programmed all of the networks into this router. We still have to do the same thing for these two routers here. So now that you have a basic understanding of how this process works, I'll do the next two really quickly, okay? Now we got the RIP protocol all set up on all of the routers. I'm going to try to ping from one end to another, okay? I'm going to go to the command prompt and I'm going to try to ping. Just going to try to ping this router here first of all. Let's see if I can get that far. 102.54.33.2. Okay, I'm getting a reply to that. So we couldn't ping before. As you could see, when I tried to ping this IP address before I set the RIP protocol up, none of my packets were received. I got 0 receive, lost 4. Now I got 0 loss, receive 4. So everything is good to that point. I'm going to jump ahead and try to ping this PC on this local area network. Okay, it just took a while because it was the first time, so I lost one packet. I'm going to do it again. And this time I got all 4 packets received, lost 0. So the first time you do it with Packet Tracer, that happens sometimes, but everything is fine. Okay, so I'm good right up to there. I'm going to try to ping right over to this PC here. Let's see if I can get there. 192.168.2.4. 2.4. Okay, it did the same thing there, timed out, but then it came through and I lost 1. I'm going to try to ping that again. Just hit up arrow, then I'm going to hit enter. And the second time it worked fine, and it would work fine the third time as well. The first time you do it through Packet Tracers, this happens sometimes. Okay, so everything is fine. So now we have set up the RIP protocol and we were able to ping from one computer right over to the other. All of these computers on this local area network now would be able to communicate with each other just by entering the RIP protocol. If this video was helpful to you and you would like to see more videos like this one, please don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Trevor from Telecom Training. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.